This is everything you need to know for geometry, part 5. So we're still reviewing Algebra 1 and we're talking about systems of equations. So we're going to start with the substitution method. So we have y equals negative 4x and 2y plus 3x equals 8. And so since we already know what y is equal to, we're going to take that part, negative 4x, and plug that in for y in this equation. So once we do that, we're going to have 2 times negative 4x, because we plugged that in for y, plus 3x is equal to 8. And so now we can just do the math. So 2 times negative 4x is negative 8x, plus 3x is equal to 8. And then negative 8x plus 3x is negative 5x is equal to 8. And then to solve for x, we can divide by negative 5 so that cancels and leaves us with x is equal to negative 8 over 5. So we have our x value. Now we can find our y value by just taking negative 8 over 5 because it's equal to x and just plugging that back in to our first equation because y is equal to negative 4 times x. Okay, so y is equal to negative 4 times our x value, which is negative 8 over 5. All right, so we have negative 4 times negative 8 over 5. And so I'm just going to rewrite this as negative 4 over 1 times negative 8 over 5. We're going to multiply top and bottom. So negative 4 times negative 8 is positive 32 over 1 times 5 is 5. And we can't reduce that any further, so we're just going to leave that as 32 over 5, so that's our y value. So our full answer would be negative 8 over 5, comma, 32 over 5. So that's the substitution method. We can also do the elimination method for this problem. So we have negative 4x plus 5y is equal to negative 11, and then we have 2x plus 3y is equal to positive 11. So the whole thing with elimination method is we want to eliminate either the x or y variable by having coefficients that can cancel out. Okay, so negative 4 and 2 are not going to cancel out. 5 and 3 are not going to cancel out. But if I multiply everything in the second equation by 2, okay, notice that 2 times 2x would be positive 4x, and then 4x and negative 4x would cancel out if we add them. So let's go ahead and rewrite our equations. So we're going to have negative 4x plus 5y is equal to negative 11, and then 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times 3y is 6y, and 2 times 11 is 22, okay? So now we can add these two equations to cancel out the x variable. So I'm going to put parentheses just so that I don't get any signs mixed up. And we're going to add them, so just like an addition problem. So negative 4x and 4x are going to cancel. 5y plus 6y is 11y. And then negative 11 plus 22 is positive 11. So we can divide by 11 on both sides to get y is equal to 1. Now, in order to find the x value, we can take our y value that we just solved for and plug it in for y in either of these first equations. So I'm going to use the original second equation just to make it kind of simple. So we're going to have 2x plus 3y, or 3 times 1, since y is equal to 1, is equal to positive 11. So we're going to have 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. We can subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x is equal to 11 minus 3, which is 8. And then we can divide by 2 on both sides to get x is equal to positive 4. So our final answer would be 4, 1, and that would be our answer to that system of equation. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and follow this account, like this video, and leave a comment. That way my videos show up in your For You page. We'll see you next time.